Hi, I'm Mark from Trail Buddy. Today I'm going to introduce you to our low budget seat replacement seat. What I've got here next to it is an original seat from a Trail 70, the early models with the heat press. And we have here is our new low budget replacement. And I wanted to put these side by side so you can see the difference and compare them together. So as you can see, they are very similar in their overall look. They have the same silhouette, which is really important. These don't have the other clone seats where the seat back comes up real high, which is the wrong shape. This one has the right contour. It's got good replacement foam. And the bottom, most importantly, here, has the same geometry as the originals. Now this one comes with the bumpers. Does not come with the toolkit spring, but it's got the right catch. This comes with a new hinge. It's got all the nice chrome buttons here. The correct seaming on the sides, like the original. And the front here. And one thing it does not have is it will not come with the Honda screen print on the back. And also one thing that's a little bit different is here, the ribbing here is actually stitched from the original when it's a heat press. But for the cost price difference, this is the way to go. We also have our higher end seats, which are almost 100% correct to this, where they have the right seat press, they've got the right crane and everything, but for the price on this one, this is a great seat for a low budget build.